welcome back. So today was a long day at work, so I come home and I reached in the bucket of locks that I got from Bill Bacardi. Thank you again for all the locks and for this beautiful padlock. I chose this on purpose because I don't have to gut it, and padlocks usually don't hold a whole lot of mystery, so it shouldn't be a ultra long video. Also because I'm going to add this to my collection, and it is a beautiful all brass padlock. This is just severely patinaed on both sides. It is a WB. You can see that, hopefully my camera's picking up the WB on top. It has bell system on it, just awesome. And then of course the key, you can see the differences. This is an all brass padlock. That's how discolored the whole thing is. It's just awesome. Brass key, but it is a WB key as well, so pretty awesome. The other awesome, well, there you go, you can see the contrast. Look at that. Yeah, that's awesome. But the other good thing about WBs are usually you can turn it both directions, which I just find fascinating. That's why I like WBs, for no other reason other than I can pick them both directions. Here's the bitting on this key. Pretty good bitting there. It's high low high low. Awesome challenge lock bitting like, but they usually just all have standard pins in them, so it shouldn't be too hard to get into. But we're gonna hopefully pick it both directions for you guys and get this video uploaded and go to bed, because like I said, I'm pretty tired tonight. At any rate, I've talked enough. Let's see what we can do here. Put this in vise, and I will do what I always do, which is grab my gem. Pretty much always grab my gem. That's what I'm gonna do. So let's see here. Yeah, I don't really need to zoom in at all for you guys. I think you guys can see everything pretty good from that angle. I'm gonna grab my 50,000th pry bar because I think I can fit it in the top, and I can. And I'll do what I always do, which is apply heavy well, yeah, on these, because I know they're heavy, standard pens. Usually I apply fairly heavy tension, pull forward and search for a binder. Wow, I didn't get anything on that pass. Well, heavier tension. There we go. 5. Okay, I gotta click on him. 3. Click on him. That was 2, I think. Oh, and 1. Okay. And you guys heard that awesome shackle pop. I'm already zoomed out, so I'm going to pull it out and show you guys that the shackle did open. There you go. You guys can see it is picked. And then, of course, in order to put that back, push that all the way in, well, I have to turn that turn the key way, because I noticed that when I was turning the key that the only way to get that shackle to go all the way in is to turn it back. There we go. And it is locked back up. Let's go ahead and pick it the other direction. Wow, there we go. Let's see here. I will use my 50,000th pry bar and my gem. Let's see here. And going the other direction, that was 4. Ooh, overset. Okay, I'm gonna have to walk this way up. No real sharp clicks out of this way, so we're gonna just keep walking them up. Hopefully get this thing open. It shouldn't be any harder going this way, but it does feel a little different. Okay, there we go. That was 2 and 1. Okay, yeah. We did get her open. You didn't hear the shackle pop because, well, my hand was in the way and hit my hand. There we go. But it is picked. Bill Bacardi, thank you so much for this lock. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your time, and well, don't break the law.